Okay, would you please introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Rachel Acera. I am 30 years old. I am single. I have 3 brothers. I have 4 sisters. And I am the 7th child in the family. And I am high school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, so do you have experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
In Hong Kong, ma'am.
Okay, how long did you work in, how many employer in Hong Kong?
4 employers, ma'am.
4 employer. How long did you work in your first employer?
1 year and 6 months, ma'am.
Okay, so what are your duties and responsibilities?
Cooking, cleaning, washing clothes and dishes, ironing, marketing, and take care of pet, ma'am.
Okay, so 1 year and 6 months break contract or terminate?
Terminate, ma'am.
So what is the reason?
Financial problem, ma'am.
Of the employer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So and the second and third employer finish contract.
Yes, ma'am.
And the last employer is?
Break contract, ma'am.
So how long did you work?
1 month and 15 days, ma'am.
So what is the reason
Miscommunication, ma'am.
with the employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it they know how to speak English or
No, ma'am.
just only Cantonese
Yes, ma'am.
or Mandarin? Okay, so what do you want to take care? Newborn or children?
Children, ma'am.
Children. If your holiday is not on Sunday, do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with babies, children, and elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with another helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of dog or cat?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of disabled?
No, ma'am.
So, do you drink alcohol or smoke regularly?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat pork?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoo?
No,
Do
ma'am.
you have vision problems?
No, ma'am.
Do you hold any certificate like first aid caregiver, nurse, and babysitter?
No, ma'am.
Have you any prolonged illnesses undergone surgery?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever involved in any criminal labor police cases?
No, ma'am.
So, why do you want to work again in Hong Kong?
Because I want to support my family for their needs, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.